Hello, everyone. So right now, we will be discussing to you on how to input or data process the shareholders and officers information into the Drake software in the form 1120S. So right now, on your left side, you can see the corporation and the officers and shareholders information. While on the right side, we have the Drake software. So under the SBS K, K1, K2, and K3 column, we need to go to K1E under the information about shareholders and officers. So we just need to click that, and then we will be redirected into this window. So we need to double click any of these rows here so we can see the detailed information per shareholder and account officers. So we have here the data for Ethan Edwards. So we will be sharing first the shareholder number one, Ethan Edwards. So the control number here, this is just in optional information. So you can input whatever you want, one, two, three, and so on and so forth. In this assumption, we will be using the 003 numerical control number. So for this one, you just need to input the ID number of Ethan Edwards, his address, and then also in item G, we will be inputting the shares at the start of the year, which is his ownership is technically 50% for the entire corporation. So also we will be inputting here the Form 1125E officer information. Uh, of the total 50%, all are common stocks. So as we have discussed, also S corporation only provides one particular class stock, which is only the common stock. And also we will be inputting the officer's deductible compensation here of 60,000 since it is included here in the salaries and wages. And also he has a W-2 form from the S corporation. So going back, once everything is inputted here, we will be needing to input and data process the shareholder number two information for Mr. Evan Emerson. So let's hover the mouse at the top of the Drake software and you will see here two arrows. We will be clicking the next arrow for us to be able to input another shareholder. So we'll be adding Evan Emerson. So just like what we did with Ethan Edwards, let's populate the shareholder officer information here, starting with the ID number, full name, and then the address. And then also again for item G, input here the shares at the start of the year, which is 30%, same with the ownership and participation under the common stocks shares. And also, again, let's hover again the mouse here and then click again next to input the third shareholder information for Mr. Elijah Ellis. So same, start with the ID number, the name, the address, and then shares at the start of the year, and then the form 1125E officer information as regards to the ownership and participation, all common stock at 15%. So lastly, let's hover again the mouse at the top of the Drake software, and then let's wait for the next button to appear, and then let's input here the ID number again. For this particular example, the fourth shareholder is not an individual, but it's a company. So it's Five Corners Chamber of Commerce. So under the IRS law, it is part of an exempt organization under 501c. So these are Chamber of Commerce are tax exempt entities. So let's input here the entity name, the address, and then the shares also at the start of the year, including the ownership and participation, same under all under common stock. So once we do this one, we just need to click the escape button, and then this is the summary of your entire shareholders information, including the entity also as regards to Five Corners Chamber of Commerce. And then you just need to click save, and that's it. Everything is inputted into the shareholders K1E. So thank you.